For the last 4 months, my husband and I have been living with my in-laws, and in exactly 1 week, we are going to be moving out. Was it our decision? Technically no. A little bit of yes. I'll explain. 2022 started with us living in this apartment. We were pretty comfortable. We weren't planning on moving anytime soon. But the building was sold and the new owners come January 6th. We're at our doors, pretty much welcoming us to their new rules, whatever. Then the next day we get a letter by email saying we have to move out of the place. It was pretty stressful even though we knew the building was sold. Anyways, so we started looking for a new place. We found one around February. It was under construction. They were going to be ready by the time, pretty much around the time that we needed to be out of that apartment. We had to downsize because we were coming from a 3-bedroom going into a 1-bedroom apartment. But after we were pretty much ready and we were moving out, April 29th, we moved out of the apartment and then we came here to my in-laws place, and we were only gonna be here for 2 weeks because then we were gonna move into our new place. It was gonna be ready in 2 weeks, but literally the day before they were like, we can't move you in because you got a new job. I had gotten a new job like 2 weeks before and I let them know, and then they were like, we can't move you in, you have to reapply, rent is gonna be higher. I was really stressed and it was really unexpected. We decided not to even reapply there because I didn't want to go through that stress if our income changed again. So I was just like, no, let's just not. Let's find another place. You know, we'll find something. And we've been here since then. We're actually pretty comfortable. Husband's family, they're really sweet. I love it. And so we were in no hurry to move out of here until we found this place. We're moving in September 1st, which is, like I mentioned, a week from today. So things didn't really work out the way we had planned them, but in the end they're working out better because this place is so much nicer. I feel like I'm just gonna feel more comfortable there. Everything just kind of worked out and we were able to be with my in-laws for a few months, and I pretty much enjoyed being here with them. I have 0 complaints. I'm actually sad that we're moving out. Probably gonna cry. I love to do lists. It helps me stay organized and it helps me remember what I have to do. I pulled up my Notions and I recently started using Notion, so I'm still learning how to use it. I'm gonna add a new page just for my moving. One of the very first things I want to do is pretty much declutter. This is just a general idea of what needs to be done. I need to do laundry. Our new place doesn't have a washer and a dryer, so I will be coming back here to do my weekly laundry. For laundry, I need to wash the bed covers, the bed sheets, and I just need to do our laundry before, and I need to pack. Donating anything that I'm not gonna keep. Actually, I should probably wash this. Okay, this is washed. This one isn't. I'm in the closet trying to get things out because look, it's so packed in here, especially like this area right there. There's not a lot of space in the room, and I definitely didn't want all of this stuff just over there in the room, so I put it all in the closet. It's been a while since I put all of this stuff in here, so now I can't even remember what I have in here. I want to make sure that I'm not going to take anything that I don't want or that isn't mine, because some of my brother-in-law's stuff is also in here. The mess that is this room right now, I'm going to show you everything. This is the bed, and these are just stacks of dirty clothes. Laundry and things that I'm probably gonna get rid of, but I need to wash first. The bed is obviously unmade. I have to wash the sheets, all of that. This is where I pretty much stuck everything that couldn't fit in the closet. Literally, it's under the bed. So it's really tight in there. On this side, I have my cat's litter, a fan that's kind of broken, their food. I have more stuff under this chair. Over here, we have vanity area. Looks okay-ish. Everything that's in here, this drawer is like packed. It's full. I have all of my makeup in here that I need to pack as well. This tray full of just self-care stuff, lotions, and just everyday use kind of things. I have a bunch of stuff in here. I'm not even sure what's in here anymore. Over here, there's another box. Just a bunch of things. In the closet, there's more stuff. It's a lot, but I'll get through it. In this box, I'm planning on putting like kitchen stuff, but I've already packed it up with my baby's food and snacks and treats. But I still have this bag, I think this goes here, and this bag of kitchen stuff, this cute little pot. And good news, I will actually be able to start taking things to the new place. So I'm planning on loading the truck today with some things, and then I'll take it over tomorrow after work. I'll drop some things off. It'll be a little bit quicker and a little less overwhelming because this is a tight space and it's really messy. In here. It fits. For some reason, it feels so surreal, and I don't quite know how or what I'm feeling. I think because in the beginning of the year, we were told we had to move out of our home because that apartment was our home. It wasn't our building. We didn't own it, but it was still our home. We weren't gonna have that home anymore. And then we found another home. And I was pretty excited about it. But then it wasn't our home. It wasn't gonna be our home anymore. So twice in a span of less than 6 months, I was pretty much told I wasn't going to have that home. So I guess when it was taken away from me twice, I'm being so dramatic. Like, this is not such a big problem or such a big deal, but at the same time, it's just how I feel. So when it was taken from me twice, now I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it's not real. Like, this isn't my house. Of course, I haven't moved in yet. Literally today, I just went and dropped off some things. But I don't know, it just feels like so surreal. Like, I can't believe that I'm going to be moving into this house. I didn't actually believe it until we signed like it became official, but then now, even though it's official, I still can't fathom, I guess, the idea that it is happening. It's such a weird feeling. Tell me why. It's literally 10 in the night. It's nighttime. I've been procrastinating some more. And now I've just decided, let's continue packing because I'm gonna take my things to the house tomorrow, but I have to put them in the car and I have to pack in order to put them in the car and take them to the house tomorrow. So here I am when I need to go to bed at least by 11:30 at the latest. Let's get to it. Place just came by to drop off some things, but it's raining. It's actually pouring. I'm trying to get these bags out of here so I can go home. Let me show you. Yeah, it's pouring. I'm gonna try to pull up the car closer, but I'm scared because you can't even tell because of the rain. But the driveway it's pretty steep. It goes down like that. And it's raining. And I don't know how good these tires are. So you know what? I'm just gonna stay right here. And I'll get wet. I'll be home soon. Oh, it just stopped. Okay, I'm gonna go. I made it inside. I'm up against this wall because I don't want to show you yet. You're gonna see the apartment. It's actually a house, but we're splitting the house with someone else. Someone else lives in the basement, so it's basically like an apartment. So I'm just gonna call it apartment. That is, I believe, what my landlords call it. I don't know, should I give you a little sneak peek? You want a sneak peek? Okay. I'm so excited to show you this place. It's so cute. This is a little sneak peek. Very excited about this. Very excited about that. You can just guess or imagine what this is. And you can definitely imagine what that is. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. And you will see the tour. Empty apartment tour very, very soon on the next video. One more bag for my little pile over here of stuff. All the things I brought between yesterday and today.